Hi, baby. Say hi. No, don't press that. Look, Angry Birds. Angry Birds. Do you have good song? Woo! Ready, set, go! Angry Birds. Oh, we missed the piggy. Say, go away, pig. High five. Give me nuts. That was nice. And we beat our high score. Woo! Yeah, very nice. Angry Birds. Ready? Boom! And down on the other side. Round and around and around it goes. Where it stops, nobody knows. Jimmy Johnson does. If we knew who he was, he would know exactly where it is. My goodness. Oh, oh, oh! Look at that score! Oh, yeah! Oh, yeah! High five! Give me nuts! 3 stars! Yeah! Angry Birds. I don't like this one. Pigs aren't supposed to be on the ceiling. It's just weird. Till Green Day they did it wrong. You're not supposed to have pigs on the ceiling. Spider Pig, Spider Pig. Does whatever a Spider Pig does. He is the Spider Pig. Well, I guess we beat our other scores, so that's good. You want me to fail a level so you can do that? Sure. 3 stars on that one too. Look, we're gonna fail this one. Ready? Woo! Ready? Okay, we failed. Ready? Get it. Go get it. Pig. By the way, I'm still recording you.